Hello friends, I have ordered Zebronics multimedia keyboard and mouse combo pack from Amazon after seeing lots of positive reviews. So let's see what we get in the package. I will share my complete user experience with you so you can make a better decision on this product. This kind of package I have received from the Amazon's delivery service. So let me remove the plastic wrapper and show you the actual box. Overall box design looks really good. Within the single box you will get a keyboard and mouse. Some features are written about the keyboard on one side like 2-step stand, gold-plated USB, multicolor LED, braided cable and 104 keys, aluminum body, integrated hotkeys support. On the other side, features about the mouse written like 1000, 1600, 2400 and 3600 DPI support, gold-plated USB, breathing LED, braided cable quality and 6 buttons. Some more information written on the back side too, but the main points we have already covered. Now it's time to open the box. Oh my god, it's looking good compared to my initial thinking. This kind of manual is provided with all kinds of information written about the product. Let's first check the mouse. This is a proper gaming mouse. Build quality looks good and in hand it's getting fit well. Cable length is really good, so from the distance you can work too. I will show you after connecting with the PC, but for now keep this aside so we can check the keyboard as well. This is our big mechanical keyboard, believe it or not, but it has a metal surface on the top, so it makes this a stronger build quality product. Key pressing experience is decent too. This position is with no stand used. This position is with level 1 stand used. And last position with level 2 stand used. So you have all kinds of adjustment. Braided cable with enough length. Now let's talk about the price in which I have bought this. I have purchased this product from Amazon for rupees 1100. Yes, it is in rupees 1100. This is an overall combo with the keyboard and mouse together, and let me connect this with the computer. This is how it's looking when you connect them with the computer. Preview with light off for the room. As you are seeing, mouse has the capability to change the color smoothly between a range of colors supported. for the keyboard. Also you can change the colors, but for that you have to press a color change key to get another combination, plus off lighting for the keyboard too.
Many months later.
After using this keyboard and mouse combo for 3 months, overall I am satisfied with the product and it's working fine up to now. Regarding the keyboard, I don't have any complaints, but maybe the mouse will be stopped working after few months because I have heavy usage of the mouse and doing hundreds of clicks daily basis for the designing and the gaming purpose. That is it for this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button of this video, and if you are interested to watch the gaming videos and new product review videos, then subscribe to the channel as well. Bye.